enter any other transaction in the month of October, then what we have to do?
You mean to say like previous entries, huh?
Yeah, like open and closing posting period is
What's
there, no?
your company code right now? Like we are using right now. What's your company code?
BAJM.
BAJM. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the posting period
M.
variant BAJ. Yes,
Yeah.
BAJM. Okay. If you see here, this is the one we have been created. You are telling that now we are right now in sixth month, no? If you want to open
Yes.
next month, just give the fifth month to sixth month you can allow to do. Then the system will allow to post the transaction on the in the month of fifth month. Or
Then
else
whatever.
if you want to
Ah,
open 12 months also you can open.
okay. Okay, that is also possible, right? And see, if we
No,
select only six and we will close in six, and again we can't check that whatever like previous month details and all we can't check.
no, what I'm saying is like this is the control of the management. Like if you allow 1 to 12, you can post it by the. What we will do is casually like every month we open. This is the sixth month, no, 6 to 6 I have even open. If you want to post, you have to go with the OB52 transaction code and whichever the month if you want to open, you can open here, no.
Yeah. Okay,
You
got
can
it.
do it. You
Yeah.
can do it. That's it. Any doubts?
No, that's it.
Mhm. Got it. Okay, good. You have been done with these things, no.
Yeah, I wanted to check, so I went. Still, I am like behind two more classes that
But
I'll
that's not
cover
a big deal. You cover, you cover. Slowly you
Yeah,
cover okay. Just put it a document aside and we'll send this thing and you prepare your own notes and you do it. That's not a problem, okay?
sure.
So, up to where we have been done, any idea? You have been posted, no? Okay. Slash n, LPL, PN is to see the report. So, company code, BA, JM, and just execute it. You have been done with this thing, correct? Okay. Today we are going to post few more entries. That is nothing but like till now we have been posted the general entries. Now what we are going to do is like nothing but like we have to post these things. How to park, how to hold the document. Okay. Are you getting? Two end user transactions we will do today so that you will be understanding. So before starting the session, like what do you mean by hold? Hold the document. Anybody? Kishore, are you there?
Sir,
What do you mean by whole document, Kishore?
hold means hold till the final approval
Mm, that's what you
to
want
get
to
the
tell?
approval of the sum that has not been recorded in the park or
Now I'm talking about the whole document. So holding the document, how to hold the document in SAP. So we'll see today. So if you see here, we have been posted on GL account. You have been seen the GL balance and GL reports and document reversal we will see and hold the document, park the document and post the document. These are the things we are going to see in this session. So if time permits, we will go ahead and we can do other things. So first of all, what do you mean by document reversal? Anybody?
the reversal of document means the reversing the previously posted transaction.
Yes. What we have been posted GL account. So if you want to reverse the GL document, why we have to reverse means there is no option to delete. So when the GL account was been posted with respect to the GL means like if, when you are going to post the GL account with respect to the GL account which was been created by us, they, if you have been done once posted, there is no option to delete anything else. So we have to reverse the document. Why we have to reverse the document is nothing but like in order to nullify that particular account. For suppose if you have been posted wrongly and you came to know that you have been done mistake. So what you have to do? You have to reverse the document. If you are going to reverse the document will be nullified. So for suppose you have been paid the rent. For suppose you are not being paid instead of like you have been debit credit, you have been done like this. So what we have to do? We have to reverse the document. When you are going to reverse the document, the debit will be credit and credit will be debit and it will be nullified. Correct? Are you
Yes,
getting?
sir. Net effect will be nullified. Net effect will be applied
Nullified.
to
Nullified.
each document, each GL.
What?
Each respective
Respect to GL account, correct?
net effect will be nullified in each respective GL in which we have already posted.
Yes, exactly. So how to do that particular thing in like these are all the end user transactions FB08. So if you go and see here, I want to open the document like /n FB08 is the transaction code. Just press enter. If you see here to which document you want to do reversal, so you have to see the document number. So if you see here how to see that /n FBL 3N is the transaction code, just press enter and go and execute here, view the company code and execute it here. So I want to, this is the one, audit paid, no audit fee paid. So I want to nullify this particular GL account and document number it's asking. So 1001, I want to do this thing. So 1001, the document number. If you see here, fiscal year, for which fiscal year we are doing 2025. The reversal reasons has been given by the SAP. Out of that, what we are going to do, we are going to reversal in the current period. So in this month only we are going to do. So we have to do the 01. So after that, what we have to do, if you see here, these are the things we have to do the fields over here. And after that, we have been given the reversal reason. Why? Because like we have been reversing this month on current period. So what we have to do, we have to save it. So the document 1002 was posted in company code VAJM. So it was been posted. So I want to see this report. Like if you see here, go to the list and refresh it. And if you refresh the screen, the earlier two entries are there. And I have been reversed this 1001 and it was been taken as 1002. It has been created a new document that is a AB is a reversal document. As I told you, till now we have been done the GL accounts /n OBA7. In OBA7, what the type of document GL? SA. Just press enter. And if you press enter and select this and go to the details, and you can see here the document type is SA, that is a GL account, and the 01 is the number range, and reverse document type is AB. If you are going to reverse the GL account, that is the document type AB. So that's what system is showing here. This is the reversal type of the AB. AB is the reversal of the GL account. If you are going to reverse, the document type is nothing but AB. It is predefined by the SAP. So if you reverse the document 50,000 minus 50,000, again the balance should be like 50 lakhs, which was being brought into the bank capital. It's there, no more expenses has been incurred. Like we have been reversed this particular document number with the reference number and the fiscal year we have been reversed, and if you see here the balance will be the 50 lakhs. Understood?
Understood.
Understood? Okay, good. These are the small end user transactions. This is for a small teeny things for you. That way, like how to reverse, you just go with the T code and you will be seeing all those things. Okay, this is the end users. So again, we will do the one more thing like hold the document. Ashmi, understood, Ashmi?
Sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Very good. So if you see here, again, we have to go back. And what I would like to, I have been shown this document. So I want to go back and hold document. As like Kishore has been told that hold is a document. Hold document is nothing but it is the activity of keeping the document pending for posting. So why it is pending for posting? Due to want of information. When the information necessary to post the document is not completely available, we are not having completely available of the particular information, we are going to keep the document should be hold. So for posting, hold for posting due to lack of information. The held document do not update the GL account. When the required information is available, we can retrieve the held document and give the information and we can post it. Okay. So it will be asking the temporary account number. So casually what we will do when we are going to post a GL account, the document number will be generated from the number range. Here in the whole document, why we are going to hold the document means due to want of information. So suppose while posting the document, you having some lack of information. So you should not keep the document with you like until unless if you get the information. You just keep the hold the document and you move on. So whenever you got the information, then you can post the document. When you are being held the document, the system will ask the temporary number. So you have to give the temporary document number. And after getting the information, you have to retrieve the held document and you have to give the temporary document number. System will fetch that particular document. And after receiving some information, you have to put it the information over there. And as usual, you can post and it will be generating the GL account. From GL account means like a document number from the number range. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Shmi, do you have any doubts? Shall I tell one more time?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Madhukar, obviously will get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way. So how to do these things means nothing but like you just go with this FB50 is the transaction code. Just go to the /n general FB50 is like posting of GL account only. Here the lack of information you just put the document as code. So we have to make sure that our company code is BAJM and document date is today's date. I will put it 15/08/2025. And if you see here on if you see here, just which GL account has to debit, which GL account has to be credit. You have to see here. And if you see here, the GL account, I'm using the audit fee only, and I want to debit it. And this is for the testing only. You can create your own GL like expenses and all those things. Just I'm taking one GL account as a reference. I'm doing it. So if you see here, this is the main like how we doing, and here we are going to test it. That's it. So I'm giving here 20,000. And if you see here, our bank account is HDFC Bank. Just select this. We are paying from HDFC Bank. And how much the amount is 20,000. And if you see here, text. Text is nothing but bean audit fee paid. It's the narration you can give as per your convenience. So just press enter. And if you see here, in generally, we go and we can do the document like a poll. If when you are going to post normally, you can post it. Now we are going to hold this document. For holding this document, how to press on this button, hold document. Just we want to hold this document for the lack of information. So suppose the reference number you want, you are not given any reference text and all those things. So why we have to keep as a like a uh, pending for this post the document. So we can hold the document when we get the information. We can retrieve this document and we can give the document reference number or header text, what are the field is necessary. So go to the whole document. And if you click the whole document, a temporary number will come. You have to give the alphanumeric it is. You have to give the normal number like system. The system will ask the document number, temporary document number, which is to be given by the user. And the temporary document number is alphanumeric. So I will do casually like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just click on hold. Everything is in the document. You can see here. These are the tests we have been performed. You can see here hold and temporary document number has been given 1, 2, 3. And if you see here, enter the desired hold document number and manually and press enter. So we have to press enter. So what we have to do? We have to press enter. So hold it. System will generate what are the temporary number you have been given by you 1, 2, 3, 4 was held. So we have been held this document. So due to the lack of information, after getting the information, you have to held this document. Whatever you it is held, you have to retrieve it by giving this temporary document number which has been given by us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to give the certain inputs and we have to do it. How to do it? Edit, select the held document. System asks the held document 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and continue. And if you see here, three cross marks means like just you have to give some information over here. Just I will give here audit and just press enter. and it will converts into two tick marks like green. So whatever the field lacking of information is there, that we have been given the information here as a audit fee. And as usual, how you are going to post the GL account, you can post the GL account. So if you see here, this is the now complete the transaction show above and post it. So you can post it. And just casually how the document number will be generated for the GL account, it will be generating as usual like 1003. If you want to see the report like and go to list
Due
and
to the
refresh.
due to the buffering of the network, held document posting was not seen here. Please repeat it once again.
It's very easy, like whatever we held.
To posting a held document, what we have to do? Please explain in a short. Otherwise, show in a document.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
So due to the network, I did not get the things. The state.
Ah, we can do
Just
one more. We can do one more thing. Okay, I want to
So
post
need
one
not
more
to be
thing.
do more times. Please show in a PDF or a Word file. Already put.
Eh, 1 minute, please.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, like if you see here, what we have been done, like a whole document is nothing but like as usual, like we have to go with the FB50, and FB50, what we have to do is nothing but like you see the document once, or else I can post it one more time. So it will take up 2 minutes only. Okay. So this is the
Okay.
way like as usual, like we are posting the GL account, no? So this is the GL account. If you go and see here, /n FB50, just press enter. And if you see here the document date and which GL account you are going to debit, audit fee, and it's going to debit and 20,000, I mean 10,000. And if you see here, which bank has to be credit, this is to credit. Casually we give the narration also here. Just I'm giving the narration again. Here also I'm giving the narration is nothing but text. So what we have to do, you have to go with this hold button is there, no? Just click on hold and system will ask the temporary document number. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now we have to give the temporary document number. 123 I will give. Just hold the document. If you see here, system is telling the document number 123 was held. Means instead of like we are not posting the transaction, it was not generating from the number range document number.
Yes,
It is generating from the temporary number which was been given by us. Okay. Now
yes,
we
sir.
got the
Okay, sir.
information. Now we got the information. So what we have to do? We have to go with the edit and we have to select the held document and you have to give the held document number, means which was been hold, no, at the time what is the document number you have been given, the document number system will retrieve the data and it will show these things. Are you getting? So what is the
Yes,
information
sir.
you have
Yes,
been
sir.
got? Here I am giving here audit fee. Just press enter. If we press enter, it's as usual, like when you post the transaction and the document number will be generating from the number range of particular document type SA, which was being provided by us. Understood?
Yes, got it, sir. Understood.
Okay, good, good. So that's the whole document. What do you mean by park document? What do you mean by park document? What do you mean by park document? Anybody?
No, sir.
Hmm? Madhuji?
No, sir. No idea, sir.
The park means that is the park due to the unavailability of information or due to non-approval of the transaction like that. That has been parked
Ah, ah,
out of the books, out of the particular
ah,
GL.
Yes, somewhat like you have been told correct. So I would like to say I would like to add some few more points to this particular thing. So it will be easy for you. Okay. Everybody knows these things. But the thing is like parking means what?
Keep aside.
Yes. General means park, keep aside. Very good. So parking, keep aside. Yes. Here it is an activity of keeping the document pending for posting. Okay. Hold also pending for posting, park also. And if you see here, parking means like it is the activity of keeping the document pending for posting due to want of authorization. Okay. For suppose I want to quote a small example. So if you go for the bank, nowadays nobody is going to the banks. For example, I'm telling. So if you have been gone to the bank and you are doing NEFT or RTGS or anything as transaction you are doing. So what they will do, they will give the form. At the time you have to enter the details of the particular your account number and to whom you are doing the payment and all those things, correct? You have to submit to the clerk and he will pass the entry, and that is nothing but he will park the entry, and after that it will go to some other like a PO or some second level officer like mm, he will verify that particular things fields are correct or not, and he will post the document verifying. So here the thing is nothing but the authorization is the authorization will be the different person will be doing. So the person who is going to the part the document, he has no authorization to post the document. Why it is having these things is nothing but the need for the parking arises due to the operation and tolerance group for the employees. The documents are parked by the junior level employees and authorized by the senior level employees. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
So yes. So why it will be happen casually is like so junior level employees like they don't know how to they know, but the thing is like as the management control. So we have to take a supervision that like for suppose if you take a no, like a junior level employees means like they are came with the pressure level means they can do, but the thing is like we have to put a bird eye on that on them. Why? Because in the thing like it may happens anything else, like we have to take a certain measures like we have to check if he has been done with any mistakes means we have to be in the part of that particular thing and we have to educate them like and we have to uh, see all the things and it is to be run very accuracy. So there we won't give the authorization to do such type of posting to the particular junior level employees. So what we will do, we make them to park, and after that at the end of the day or whenever we the senior level employees will be getting the time to offer the authorization, they will see accordingly and they will post it like once it is authorized, it is posted by the senior level employees. Neither then can change it. If anything else is for suppose like anything is there, if it is correct, they can post it or they can change it, and all the parameters will be there within their hands. They can do it. So this is the control. Once it is authorized and posted by senior level employees, either them to change it while authorization the park document for the senior employees has the following options. Like what the following options is having. So he can post it as it is if it is all good, or else like he can change if necessary, and he can reject. And these are the things they can do it. So this is the main control of the posting of transaction, and there won't be any discrepancies. Like if they maintain this accuracy means like they will be checking the and second authorization should be given by the particular senior level employee. Understood? Even though the parked document do not update the GL account, the system consider this parked document for evaluation purpose and such calculating some anything else taxes for suppose end user will be posting no the taxes has been calculated correct. For example, he has to check as a senior level employee under the supervision of the particular team. He has to take care of all those things. Correct? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So that's the control of the parking of a document. So how to park the document? You can see here. It's quite simple. It's the end user task only. We not worry. Just if you know means like little bit tough like advantage. That's the thing. So casually we won't do these things. But the thing is like in GL, what are the things has been important? Just I'm telling that's it. So how to park the document? So in the document you can see FB50. /n FB50. This is the FB50 only. Oh, sorry. So today's date I will enter. And if okay, it was been grayed out. Just go to FB50. Just press enter. Today's date and just give the IMBN. I'm going for the audit fee only. It was been debited with the sum of the amount. Like you can take it whatever the amount is there, 1,000 for suppose, and 1,000 is the credit. You have to give the 1,000 over here. And text. What is the text we'll give here? Be not fee paid. Be not fee paid. Just if you go and see here in the document, how we will do. Just press enter. If you see here, this is the park one. Go to the park document. The document 1005 is being parked. Yes, it was in park. Again, you can post the document FV50. So /n FV50 is the transaction code. Just press enter. And if you see here in FV50, FV50, FV50 or FV50 transaction code FV50. We have to go with the document. Select the park document. For which fiscal year you have been parked, go to give the park document. Continue. And you can post it as it is. If anything else there, you can do this modifications and can post it. That's the main purpose of this document is park is nothing but some people will be having the authorization to post the transaction. The person who is parked the document, he has no authorization to post the document. That's the park document. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we stop here or we can continue with the new topic, nothing but a foreign currency? Till now, we have been done with the Indian INR. So in a business, we can do the transaction with the foreign currency also, correct? Am I correct or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So how we have to do it, how the system will react. So we have to see that things. So foreign currency, foreign exchange currency. We have to deal with this thing. So till now we have been done with the INR, and as a business concept, like we may occur like we may like done with the out of the currency like foreign currency also. The basic need is nothing but like we have to how the system will take as a foreign currency if you're going to post the transaction in foreign currency. Right now, we have been given the INR, we have been done the GL account, we have been paid the audit fee through the bank, and we have been given INR. So, if you are, if like other, for suppose like you are getting service from US and they have been charged for this same audit fee for suppose $100 and you have to pay in terms of dollars. They won't accept our INR. So what we have to do? We have to exchange our currency, correct? Are are you getting?
Correct. Yes.
How
Yes,
you
sir.
will be converting this like exchange and all those things like for suppose you are traveling to US, so if you carry INR, it won't be acceptable over there. While you are traveling only, you have to plan for the how many days you are going to trip and you have to convert the particular currency of the foreign currency over there, and you have to do it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the like main thing like we have to follow? How you will be exchange your money?
To authorize money exchanger counter, we will get exchange.
Mm.
Otherwise, we will
Exactly.
go through a foreign exchange card
Mm,
and pay
mm,
over there.
mm, exactly. So we are talking about like in the organization concept, like we are having one organization, we are doing in accounting over there. So the cards, when you are going to travel a single person and you can go with the manage with the card. And if you are going to do any payment in terms of foreign currency, so what the major thing is nothing but like you have to convert the money, correct? So whatever the currency you are maintaining for this particular company code is INR, and you are going to pay in other currency that is a foreign currency, and whatever it may be like whatever the foreign currency you are paying, but it has to be like whatever the currency you are paying in terms of foreign currency, we have to convert our money into INR. Then only the system can we can do the payment. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
We have been opened the INR in our bank of accounts. So we are doing like we have been taken the service from the foreign and it is the audit fee and we have to pay $1,000 for the services. So they won't accept our currency. So what we are going to do is nothing but we have to convert our currency. So in order to convert the currency, we have to give the exchange rates. So exchange rates are differing day to day. So it may increase, it may decrease. We can call it as a fluctuating, correct? So who will decide these exchange rates?
In India, RBI is the authority decides the
Mm,
exchange and
yes,
control.
exactly. Yes, control over that. So if you see here, that's what I have been told. Foreign currency posting, the financial statements of the company code are to be prepared in company code local currency. Do you agree with this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But in quite common, the company code incurs the business transaction in foreign currency also. Correct?
Yes.
That's what I have been told. So in that case, the amount of the foreign currency business transactions are to be converted in company code currency. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can configure the system to convert the foreign currency business transaction to company code local currency at any of the following exchange rate types. For example, Indian currency to US, Indian currency to GBP, like Indian currency to SGD. You know all those things, correct? USD means US dollar, GBP means Great Britain pound. And just I'm quoting the example, okay? We are even though our company is located in India, we are having the accounts in INR. So even though you are going to do the payment in like a particular USD, so whatever the amount you are converting, the amount should be INR only. How much of INR if you give the particular USD means you have to convert it, and in the bank balances will be showing in the INR only. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in order to do all those things, what we need, for suppose, for example, I have been quoted that you have been traveling to the US. So you have been traveling to the US for 1 month, and you have been planned, and you are having sufficient balance in your bank account in INR. And while traveling, this won't be permitted or like it acceptable currency. So you have to convert it as globally USD is correct. Valid, no? So you have to convert the USD. So how you have to convert the USD means, well, as you told that any foreign exchange, or you can visit the bank and it will be having the this thing exchange rate people will be there, correct? If you observe means like as you all people has been observed. So how I can tell is nothing but like if you want to exchange the rates, for suppose if you gone for the SBI or HDFC Bank, they will be the sell like foreign exchange. If you see here backside of the people, they will display one board. What is that board? Can you tell me, Madhuji?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get the question, sir.
When
Please
you
repeat
visit
it.
the bank, when you visit the bank for exchange your money, you are having the INR, you want to convert the INR into USD. So when you visit the bank, the exchange people will be there, correct?
Yes.
Behind the exchange people, one board will be displayed. What will be that board do you have been observed?
There will be a two rate. One rate is a
Mm,
buying rate, another is a selling
mm,
rate.
yes. What do you
Yes,
mean
yes.
by
In the
buying rate and what do you mean by selling rate?
buying rate means a rate on at the bank buy from general public, a exchange counter buy from a general public, or selling rate a rate at
Mm,
the rate which say bank will sell
mm,
to the general
mm.
public.
In this contest, you are traveling to US. What will be you bank will sell or bank will buy?
Bank will buy and I will bank will sell and I will buy.
Sure, Madhuji,
Yes,
are you
bank
okay with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
bank will sell dollar and we will buy a dollar.
When we
So
remit
that
payment to some other party, we are buying dollars.
yes. Yes, if you see here, the bank buying rate is denoted by G in SAP, and bank buying selling rate is denoted by B. So, what do you mean by bank buying rate is nothing but it is the rate at which the bank will purchase any foreign currency. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Bank selling rate is nothing but denoted by B. It is the rate at which the bank will sell any foreign currency. So, what is in this contest? What will bank will do? They will sell the currency. We are going to buy. As per the bank, we have to see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes, sir.
am I
Okay.
correct? It's
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes.
general thing only. So when we are going to buy, means like bank is selling the foreign currency, whatever the amount we want the need in terms of foreign currency. For suppose you want a $2,000, so bank will be selling the dollars, and you are exchanging your money with the bank. So you are purchasing. So the exchange rates will be displayed on the back of the thing like a day to day, as you told that like these things like for Reserve Bank and all those things day to day fluctuating. So they will calculate that how much of amount you want. If you want $2,000 means like what is the amount is effect for the particular dollar in terms of INR, they will let you know, adding the commission, and they will let us know all those things. Okay. Is secondary commission and all those things. I'm telling you that if you go for the bank. So what is the contest is nothing but if you are going to buy the dollar, How many dollars you want means like you have to know about the dollar rate today. So then you can convert your money into dollars. So if you want $2,000 means what is the rate of the dollar per today? 89 rupees. For example, I'm telling 2000 by 89, it will convert and they will give that many dollars. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes. If you see here, the bank average rate, it is the rate, it is the average of bank buying rate and selling rate is the average. So we casually go with this bank average rate while doing the configuration. So what we will do is bank average rate. So there is no need of all those things and average it will take. So what is the amount is there? We put it over there, the day's rate here. As per the bank, if you are traveling as a different concept, just I would like to tell you that these are the things will be there. For that reason only, I've been taken one example. So the transaction ratios for currency ratios. So what do you mean by transaction ratio for currency ratio? You are doing 1:1, correct? Means one currency to
yes,
other currency. So it is the relation between the minimum units of two currencies in the commercial usage for the conversion purpose. For any pair of currency, the transaction ratio is always 1:1. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
understood, sir.
Okay. So what we will do is like, just I want to tell these things also. Foreign exchange quotations are there. So there are two types of quotations which we can enter in the foreign currency tables. So as in SAP, we have to maintain two quotations. That is nothing but a direct quotation and indirect quotation and transaction currency. Transaction currency, you know what which type of transaction you are doing in terms of currency. That is nothing but a transaction currency. Whether you can go with the INR, whether you can go with the USD, that is the currency. Okay. So keep it aside. Now we are going to discuss about this direct quotation. What do you mean by direct quotation is nothing but one unit of foreign currency, how many number of units of company code currency? It is convenient to use the direct quotation. What do you understand by this?
May I, sir?
You can. Hello? Yes, you can tell.
Direct direct quotation means quote uh, at the rate which we are buying or selling. Like uh,
Mm,
if you are buying
mm,
a dollar
mm,
from a
mm,
particular bank,
mm, mm,
then rate will be provided as per the dollar.
mm,
For an example, if you are buying a $1, then the bank will give us a rate for $1.
mm.
And
Yes.
for the indirect, we can explain that for if we are going to buying a dollar,
Mm,
but they are giving a rate in a INR. Like if,
mm,
the rate
yes,
is
exactly.
$1 equal
Mm,
to 90
mm,
rupees, but
mm,
they ask that 90 rupees equal to $1.
Very good, very good. So, just in like it's a quite common, like every is as you told is very quite common and is very like direct quotation is nothing but one unit of foreign currency. How many number of units of company code currency means it is convenient to use the direct quotation. So when we are going to direct quotation, here small thing is there. When the foreign currency is bigger than the company code local currency. So your currency is smaller and foreign currency is bigger, then you have to go with the direct quotation. Indirect quotation, vice versa. When the company code local currency is bigger than the foreign currency, as you told, is the same, correct? Yes. This is about the direct quotation and indirect quotation. The transaction currency means nothing but it is the currency. It is the currency It is the currency in business transaction occurs. So when you are going to do the business transaction, whatever the currency you are giving, it may be a foreign or like any company called local currency, that is the transaction currency. It is also called as a document entry currency. For every foreign currency posting, the system stores two figures, one document currency and other in the company code local currency. Even though you are doing a foreign currency, the system behave that what is your company code currency, it will take into consideration, it will be converting into whatever the things as there you have been given the exchange rate tables and system will behave and it will be showing in your local code company currency the balances amount. Am I correct?
Yes.
Ashmika, are you getting? Ashmita?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
I'm going very slowly. If you want me to repeat it, I can repeat it. Okay. I will send this file also. Please have a look. And
Okay.
whenever you get the free time, just read it. If you have any
Sure,
doubts, feel free to ask me. Okay.
sure.
This is the way like we have to do. And this is the theoretical part till now we have been discussed about the things. And if you have if you have this clarity means we can do the configuration steps in coming class, in tomorrow's class, and you feel much more comfortable and you will be seeing after doing the configurations, we have to set up that things like all the things we have to provide to the system, the exchange rates and all those things. And we will be posting the transaction the document like we are posting transaction like till now we have been done with the INR and we are going to post in USD for example how the system behaves and how the system will be converting into INR we will see in the report then you will be understanding very well. So in GL, this is one scenario, like we can take it, and this is the how to do this configuration and how to test it. It's like end user. End user just he will give the fields over there, like a document date, posting date in terms of currencies, USD, you can give USD, INR means you can give the INR. And what account is debited with, he will select one GL account, debit, and he will select other GL account to create he will give the amount and narration. It's like quite common and simple to do such type of things. But as an end user, he won't have an access to do this type of configurations and all those things. As a functional consultant, we are much more responsible to do this configuration as well as we have to test it whether it's like generating the report with the company code local currency, how it was being system is behaving and all those things we have to look after. And this is the task of a like both the end user and the consultant this configuration we look as a FI consultant. Tomorrow, what we will do the configuration as well as we have to test it by posting one transaction in terms of currency, any foreign currency. The business is incurring for the foreign currency payment in GL. So how the system is behaving and all those things we will see accordingly we can do it. Understand? Is there any questions? Anything else you want to ask?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, you have just mentioned there is a two types of currency are mentioned here. One is the buying rate, or one is the selling.
Mm,
Okay, sir.
mm,
Once we maintain a buying rate of, sorry, a selling rate of foreign currency,
mm.
and we will, instead of purchasing some service or goods from the foreign currency, then exchange rate apply on a buying rate of the currency which we have
So,
maintained.
yes. Like I have
But
been quoted example, bank as you have been traveling. Generally, what the things in real time is nothing but master data management team will be there for this particular thing. Whatever the rates will be getting from this thing, they will update background, extend tables. The system will
yes,
behave as per the day and the calculation is system will behave. So, what we have to do is nothing but we have to do some configuration settings and exchange rate day to day it is like fluctuating. So the data will be provided by the bank or any other resource they will link and the system will be updating according the exchange rate which was being like effective from particular date and it will be behaving. So here I would like to tell you that that's the reason I am telling you that we are taking as a bank average rate M. The system will understand there is no buying and selling we won't take. Why? Because we don't know like we are not exchanging the money in liquid form and all those things just we are having that whatever the effect of exchange rate that day particular things and system automatically will be generating all those things while we do the payment and it will be acts according the currency which was in the local company called local currency the balances will be effective over there.
But sir, how can we actually assess the foreign exchange gain loss fluctuation amount if we maintain on a average rate?
Mm. We can like that's the very other concept, like it's a foreign currency valuation while being taking the any services, like for suppose like a for a realized gain and realized loss you are asking, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Unrealized. It's a very different concept. I will let you know when the topic and scenarios come. Just I want to like to show this thing for this particular thing, and when we are going to post any invoice for this particular thing, then we can take it as consideration. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please send this
Yes.
file to us.
Mhm.
I will look over
Just I
this
want
and
to show you in the GL account in terms of like company code currency, if you have been incurred the expenses in other currency, how to do it and system how it will be here, I will let you know. That's the thing I'm trying to tell you. So that's the different concept, like a foreign currency revaluation we can call as, and it will be there like what to
sir, just
say.
like a expense that please explain us one transaction for income or revenue.
We'll see. Don't worry. Okay. We'll see.
Okay,
That's all
okay, sir.
things. If I tell means like you know very well and Madhukar also know, Ashmika also know, but the thing the sequence if I miss means like it may lead to confusion. So I will be going one track and we'll be having good sessions ahead. Don't worry. What are the things in this particular curriculum? 40 sessions is there. The max to max I will deliver it so that you can develop your own as per your accounting, as per your standards. You can do whatever debit and whatever credit, but that's your organizations things and all those things. So I don't want to teach here like accountings and all. Just I want to tell this part the customization of the implementation of how to do these things and all those things, and you can cop up as per your things. Correct? Am I correct, Madhuji?
Yes, sir. I have one doubt, sir.
Just tell me.
Uh, it's regarding the documents on hold.
Mm.
How to see how many documents are on hold? You cannot remember each and every number of the document. So how
Yes,
can we see?
we can see. I will let you know that the background programming will be running so that but within the program you will be knowing all those things.
Okay.
Okay, the Babber will set all those things like as per the need and requirement of the things like a client, they will do something and I will let you know. Don't worry. Okay,
Okay, sir.
casually, just for the sake of this end user, I have been told normally they don't do old documents and all. So if anything is there, one or two, maximum three, four documents, maximum max will be there. So they won't be like holding the documents and all those things. So if there is any need at any instances, they will go for the hold. Okay. Why? Because it's not
Okay, sir.
generating. It's not having this particular thing. So that's the reason we are giving the temporary number over there. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If it
Yes.
is if it is having the document number, document type is different, so we can retrieve it. So if you see here, as you have been asked to know, just I want like to tell you. Just press enter. If you see here, just I want to show you /n FB03 is the transaction code. Okay. So here you are how many documents has been posted till now in SCA? SCA is nothing but GL account. Okay, document type SCA is nothing but GL. So till now you have been posted the GL accounts, correct? So in order to go with this particular things and you have to check means it's a little bit of lengthy and like it's a little bit of like a time taking task. So how you will do is nothing but for which company code we have been done?
PHAM.
Okay. You have to give the company code over here and for which physical year we have been given 2025 and go to the document list. And if you see here, again, you have to give the document fiscal year 2025. And if you see a document type is there, no? You have to go with this document type. And we have been done with the SAGL. So if you want to see the GL posting, just click here SA and go to the execute button. Clockwise symbol is there, no? Left click over there and you will be seeing these many documents we have been posted. Since like 11/9/2025, we have been posted 2 documents, and 15/8 we have been done with the two documents. Altogether for this particular company code, document numbers for fiscal year, and which type of document we have been posted. That type of document will come here, and date when we have been posted, document date and posting date, enter date also will come. If you want to see the accounting entry, for suppose we double click over here, you can see the accounting entry. Okay, by whom it was being posted, when it was being posted, which transaction code he has been used, and all those things will be seen by this hat like symbol is there, no? Display document header. If you see here, the document type is SA, we have been posted a GL account. And if you see here, when it was been posted, document date and posting date, which period we have been used, 6th period. In currency INR, this is the transaction. BKPF is the table name which was been stored in this table in database. And if you see here, by whom it was been posted, okay, entry was been done, which transaction code was being used, and time of entry it is this. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Kishore?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Likewise, we can see one by one. Whole document is the permanent document number which was being given by us. So when we will give the permanent document number at an instance, we will give. We won't put as a hold for like months and days, no. So the document when you are going to post, when you have been put to the whole document, you have to post the transaction within that particular day only. So when we are going to post, it will take as a temporary number. We will mostly be in any instance like we will do it. So it will be understandable. There is no such type of document type is provided for the whole document. So that's the reason system is telling to give the temporary document number. Then that's the main thing. Understood, Madhuji?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will send this all those things. Don't worry. Just have a look and